Hey, Tubal Views, the stories of my demise have been greatly exaggerated. I'm still here.
What's up, boat sluts? Yeah, you're seeing boats, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing here. And yeah, I'm not at the shop that I was at, so this is a little bit of a different spot. These are boats in a fleet of rentals, and this is the guy that manages and runs the whole kit and caboodle. You might remember him. We did a little thing a couple months ago where he was getting some training on how to take care of these things. And so these are going to be part of an experiment with something. Do you have it? Is it in your hand? Oh, top secret sauce. So I'm not going to tell you what is going on with that product or how we're going to use it, but I am going to tell you that Payton is going to be using it come springtime on all of these boats in a very specific way in very specific spots, and we're going to test it. So I can't give you too much information right now, and I can't obviously give you a demonstration, but come middle of summer next year, probably the beginning of summer, we should have some information for you. And if I'm correct, you guys are all going to want this. And no, it's not a ceramic, and it's not a goofy coating of any sort. It's just a product kind of like I've used for years. It's just got a little bit of kick to it. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll be around. Payton will be around.
Always.
Chill. Oh, by the way, Payton's got a YouTube channel called The Journey.
Yeah.
And on it, most recently, I think that he found himself an old C10 Chevy pickup truck that he's got some crazy idea. He's going to fix it up and turn it into a drift truck. I'm not exactly sure. What are you going to do with that thing?
That's the plan. So really, I want to throw a Cummins in it, and then I can haul my 64 Suburban. So I got a 64 Suburban and a 66 truck, and I want to put both of them together and make a real cool trailer hauler thing.
All right. So if you guys want, I'll put a description down there in the description. I'll put a link down there in the description, and you can check him out and follow him. Cool kid. He's got a lot going on, and obviously a lot of work come springtime. So thanks for watching. I'll be around. Peace.